so when we have a meal for Shabbos, for Shabbos meal this past Shabbos, we had fish for like an entree, or, like an appetizer.
Okay.
The entree, appetizer. Now, after finishing that, we say blessing. I know before, but after, and then to continue on to the main course, or do we wait to the end and say Brachos and it covers everything?
No, I'm not getting. No. Once I step back. So was it Friday night or during the day?
Friday night.
Friday night. So, but did you say kiddush before that or not?
Yes, we did kiddush. Yes, we broke bread, did kiddush, and that was the first, like little appetizer, little sushi type things to eat, because it's good to have fish for the dinner.
One second. Before we got to that, step back. So, but did you eat bread or not before sushi?
Yes.
Okay, so all the sushi are included. There is no problem.
So we don't have to say a blessing after finish eating that.
No. Okay.
Okay.
No. Okay. I got your question. So let's it's a very very good question. Let's get it straight. So once we did kiddush, or even without kiddush, let's say tonight. So you eat bread. So bread is going to cover almost all of the dishes, whatever you eat, except except the desserts and fruits, right? So you like grapes or you like whatever you eat during the meal, even fruit salad for whatever reason. You like this fruit salad during the meal for whatever reason, so you would need to say separate blessing. But otherwise, or you drink wine, let's say, on wine and desserts and fruits. And fruits many times I did also desserts, so you say separate blessing. Otherwise, all of the other foods like sushi, like fish, whatever, all rice, whatever you say, whatever you eat, all of them are covered. And even if you say separate blessing, like you say you ate ice cream, part of ice cream, or you ate cake, or you ate grapes, or you get bananas, whatever, pineapples, whatever you ate. So even though in those cases you say the blessing before, but after blessing, Birchas Hamazon covers everything. It's only one blessing, and doesn't matter how many blessings you say during the meal, right? It could be, I don't know, several, five, right? So 5, maybe if you drank wine, then you ate a piece of cake, then you ate, what did you eat? You ate grapes, right? That's another one. And then you ate cantaloupe. 4, can you eat something else? Right, and then you ate ice cream, right? So yeah, it's very possible that you would have these 5 extra blessings, like blessing before the food, but after the food, everything is covered by Birchas Hamazon. So we have to remember, so everything is covered by Birchas Hamazon. Are we clear?
Yes, I just wanted to double check.
Yes, yeah,
sure.
that's yeah.
I thought that's the way it was. That you could say the blessing before, but when you say Birchas Hamazon, it covers everything, whatever you ate and whatever. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Good.